Good morning, Dan.
Good morning.
Everybody's been asking how you're doing. What you got there?
This is a blueberry muffin,
A mug muffin.
mug muffin, yep.
90 seconds. It was a 60-second mug muffin. And I just added some frozen blueberries that I defrosted.
Delicious.
And we popped it out, cut it in half. Look at that. He's been digging in it, and he's going to add a little more butter. Oh, you need a knife?
You need a fork or knife or something.
A fork or a knife? How about a fork and a knife?
Okay, thank you.
There you go. All right, I'm going to take you over to my microwave. You can see mine now. So how are you doing on keto, Dan?
It's been, I'm in day 7 today. No, actually day 8 today, and I've lost 5.5 pounds.
Cool. And what color are your keto sticks?
Oh, they're very bright purple.
Yeah, such a jerk. Men always have that luck. Okay, ignore any chaos you see when I spin this camera around. I'm going to show you my keto muffin here. I just made a muffin for me. We're going to take it out of the microwave. That's the top of it. And we're going to come over here. We're gonna basically turn this little puppy upside down over the plate. Give it a pat. Look at that. Woo! Steam coming up. Lay that little puppy down sideways. Cut it in half. And there, whoops, there we go. A steaming blueberry mug muffin. So, I'm going to, and see how nice it comes out of the mug. So I just made 2 individual ones, even though instead of doubling the recipe, I just made 2 individual ones. So they each have 1 egg each. Oh, what else were the ingredients? 1 egg, 3 tablespoons almond flour, 1 tablespoon coconut flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, a tablespoon of soft butter. I mix that all up really well in the mug with a fork. Oh, and a teaspoon of avocado oil. I mix that up really good. So you can see it has the healthy fats. And then I kind of dug a little hole in the middle because the batter was kind of dry. And I dropped in my defrosted blueberries. And just from frozen blueberries. So each muffin has about 4 grams of carbs from blueberries. And then, of course, there's some carbs from the almond flour, so this will literally be all my carbs for the day. After this, I'm just eating some meat or eggs. 0 carbs. And, yeah, it looks pretty good. I think I'll let this go now. I will print the recipe underneath the video. And, by the way, Dan, how's that muffin?
Delicious.
Yeah, a little crumbly and messy, and hot, so that's why I gave him a fork.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, you liking keto?
I have my reservations, but overall, yeah, I guess I do. 5.5 pounds and...
What are your reservations?
My reservations. Well, I mean, obviously that I can't eat, things that I really want to eat.
Like?
For the rest of my life or whatever, as long as I'm on this diet.
Oh, really? Because my blueberry muffin doesn't taste as good as Costco's sugar-loaded blueberry muffins?
It's pretty good.
Oh.
It's pretty good.
Okay, so the big worry is what? Things like bread?
That you'll be ragging on me too much.
Okay. Nope. All I got to say is congratulations. Say bye, Dan.
Bye, Dan.
Next time.